since my hair wasn't cooperating, I decided to go and get like a nice little headscarf. It's actually not a headscarf. I actually got it from FabFitFun. FabFitFun, yes. And it's actually like a pancho, but I turned it into a scarf, honey. Yes, that's gonna work for us today. Yes. And I just went ahead and just grabbed my beauty blender stamp, and I'm just gonna apply the Kiko Milano foundation. Actually, this Kiko Milano is an anti-age foundation, and it is in the color of 170, and it's a warm beige. So this is what it looks like. Sorry you guys, I have to just go ahead and turn down the lights a little because oh my god, it was fading me out. So I'm just applying the foundation on my skin. I'm just gonna apply it over here. Hopefully I don't get makeup on there. But I mean, this is blonde, honey. To get some scarf, that's what I need to do. Anyway, right there. And then I'm just gonna shape the brows a little bit with the foundation. Now my line on the side is drawn a little bit too wide, so I don't want it to go past here. So I'm just rubbing off the excess line that is there. Actually, I'm gonna put my beauty blender right there and just fade that section out. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is high definition, y'all, and I'm just gonna apply it and just give myself a nice highlight. So here we go. I mean, it doesn't matter of the shape. I'm just playing with it at this point. So now I'm going to take my beauty blender. I'm going to use the other side. And I'm just going to pat that into my face. You know what? I just decided that I want to contour using a powder base and not a cream base. So I don't want it to mix right now. So what I'm going to do is just go in, take my beauty blender and just blend it. I'm a woman. I'm allowed to change my mind, right? So let's do it. Okay, and now you can see the beautiful highlight that I've just blended out. I use my beauty blender, of course, and now you're gonna see everything is just forming nicely. It's just giving me a lift already. Next thing I would want to do is just take a little bit of the excess that's on here already and just bring it down a little bit, just a little bit under my ears in a downward type angle. And then you can see the contour is starting to form a little bit. If I can adjust the lights a little bit so you can see it. You see that contour? Exactly. So now I'm gonna use the Black Radiance, as you can see here. And to set my highlight, I'm gonna use the Sculpt right to my eyes, my chin. Look at that. I'm gonna bring it down on my nose a little bit because I'm gonna actually use a powder to actually contour my nose. So this is all to set, you guys. Okay. Now to contour my face, I'm gonna use this Sephora palette right here. It's like a blush, but it has like highlight, contour, so you can make those cheekbones pop. So this is what it looks like right here. I had tried this one before. The only thing I have tried before was the contour. So basically I'm gonna stick to what I know. It's so gorgeous. Pat or tap, going up and down. Then I'm gonna get my beauty blender and then just tap the cheeks out a little bit. This way it's not coming onto the cheeks too much and it just stays there. I notice I didn't bring it all the way down here. I just try to do it like at least halfway and then like fade it as I get closer to the mouth. It up a little bit. But it's very tricky because with blonde hair, you don't want too much dark underneath there. This is actually a damp one. And I like it just like this. Not too harsh, just like a little bit faded as you can see. Right. With my nose, I'm actually going to be using Kiko Milano. So Kiko Milano, I love these stick concealer because I have more control with it. So I can actually apply it on my nose like so. I like to take my finger sometimes. Sometimes your finger works wonders. And then just go up, just like that. I'm going to take my concealer again, tap, 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 and just bring it in the center. This way I can smooth it up. Take a brush now, and then just brush it out. So now what I did was I just lined my eyes and I used the same palette that I used to like contour my cheek. I used the orange color there. I used this palette for my eyeshadow. As you can see right here, I orange, and then I use my special handy dandy Kat Von D black skinny eyeliner to do the bottom. I winged it out a little bit. But I just winged it out with like a regular eyeliner. I'm just gonna show you everything I did. Line my eyes. Actually a lip liner and it's scully. That's the color of it. But I don't care. Mark a line, and like if you mess up, guys, use your air swabs and just do like a nice cleanup if you did a little like boo-boo. This works great. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my eyeliner and I'm just gonna do like a little thing over on this side. I have a little glue stuck to my eye, but we'll make it work today. And now I'm just gonna take my lovely The Beauty lashes and then I'm just gonna put these bad boys on and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is almost the finished look, and as you can see, this palette is doing wonders. And what I'm gonna do to even glow some more, I'm gonna use this lovely Sephora brown, and I'm gonna use that on my cheek. Let's see how beautiful that would look. I'm gonna use this right on top of my contour. Light. See, gives like a nice glow, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side and then bring it up a little bit right on my cheeks right there, and I'm going to put that on my nose, on my chin, on my forehead, like so. Just gonna blend that out a little bit more, and then for the final touch, I'll just grab a splash of the pink one right here. I'm just gonna dab it on my cheek. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, that's a nice glow. Now I'm gonna use Huda Beauty for my lips. And this lip contour, the name of it is Spice Girl. So that's what I use for my lip. And I'm just gonna use Huda Beauty, the liquid matte lipstick. And there you go, guys. This is the look. And last but not least, what I'm gonna do is use toothpaste, this lovely toothpaste right here, and just splash some on my nose, splash some right here, I'm just gonna blend it out.